In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Descript. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Descript.com. Once the website loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the official Descript homepage. This is where you can create your account and begin the setup process. If the page takes a few seconds to load, that's completely normal, so just wait until everything is visible and ready. When you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Sign Up button. This will open the account creation options. Descript gives you a couple of simple ways to get started, so choose the option that works best for you. You can enter your email address manually if you want to create an account that way. Just click into the email field, type in your email, and continue to the next screen. Make sure you use an email address you can access, since you may need it later for verification or account-related messages. If you prefer a faster option, you can also select Continue with Google. That will let you use your Google account to sign in and create your Descript account without typing your email manually. If you choose this option, follow the prompts that appear and select the Google account you want to use. After that, Descript will guide you through a short onboarding process. These on-screen prompts help customize the platform based on how you plan to use it. For example, you may be asked to choose your primary use case, such as podcasting or video editing. Go ahead and select the option that best matches what you want to do. This helps Descript tailor the experience so the tools and suggestions you see are more relevant to your workflow. As you move through onboarding, just read each prompt carefully and make your selections. There's no need to rush here. Picking the most accurate options now can make the platform easier to navigate once your account is fully set up. If you're unsure which use case to choose, select the one that most closely matches your main goal, since you can usually explore other features later. Once you finish those prompts, your Descript account setup will be underway and you'll be ready to start exploring the platform. That's all it takes to sign up and complete the initial setup in Descript.